Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Land Rover Defender rear bumper. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a flat surface. You'll need a socket wrench set, Torx bits, and a trim removal tool. Begin by opening the tailgate and carefully removing the two rear light assemblies. This step provides access to the hidden fasteners behind them. Take your time to avoid scratching any paintwork or damaging the light units. Next, you'll need to disconnect all electrical connections. Carefully unplug the wiring harnesses from the rear light assemblies you just removed. If your Defender has parking sensors, locate and disconnect their wiring as well. These connections are often secured with small clips, so use a trim tool if needed to release them gently. Double-check that all wires are completely free and clear before moving on to the next stage of bumper removal. Now it's time to tackle the main bumper fasteners. You'll find 4 primary bolts securing the bumper to the chassis, typically 2 on each side. Use your socket wrench to carefully loosen and remove these. There might also be several smaller Torx screws along the top edge or sides of the bumper, securing trim pieces. Remove these as well, ensuring you keep all fasteners organized to make reassembly much easier later on. With all fasteners and electrical connections removed, the bumper should now be ready to come off. Gently pull the bumper straight back and away from the vehicle. It might require a slight wiggle to free it from any remaining alignment pins or clips. Have a helper if possible, as the bumper can be a bit heavy and awkward to manage alone. Once it's off, inspect the mounting area. And hey, for an upgrade to your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.